Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at how affiliate links work. We are going to look at the whole structure of the affiliate links, what is it made of, and whether or not your affiliate sales are safe with you. Right, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so if you are just starting out with affiliate marketing, you're on the start of your journey, you might be wondering, what is this whole affiliate marketing about and how these affiliate links work, whether your affiliate sales, when they eventually happen, are safe with you. And if so, it's completely fine. I just want you to know that, I can relate. I remember when I was starting out, I had no idea, no clue whatsoever what affiliate marketing is. And I just didn't know what these affiliate links are about, whether, if I make the sales, if the sales are going to me directly, or there is any chance for a scam or so. So it's really good that you're doing this research. It's going to help you tremendously in your confidence, and you're going to see that this is actually a really great system in place. All right, so before we get into the whole structure of the affiliate links, we need to understand what affiliate marketing first of all is. Okay, so in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is pretty much you as an affiliate marketer promoting and selling other people's products for a certain commission. Okay, so let's just do it over here on the whiteboard. So let's just say we have a company A, okay, company A, and they have some sort of product, okay, that you want to sell. Now the price of the product might be, let's say, $100, so we can count it really easily. So let's just say, in a kind of like the physical world, okay, you would probably go to the company, take the physical product, all right, physically, and go to somebody who you want to sell it, sell this product to the person. They give you $100. You go back to the company A and you give them the $100. Now, I'm not gonna tell you exactly what's the percentage or what's the commissions based in affiliate marketing. It varies from product to product, whether this is a physical product or digital. I'm not gonna go into too much detail on that. There is a whole bunch of videos that I talk about it in great detail, so you can watch it on my channel. But generally speaking, with digital products, we can count around 30 to 50% commissions per sale. So let's just say we will do 50%. Okay, so that's $50 for the sake of good counting. Okay, let's just do it nicely. All right, $50. That's your commission over here. Okay, now you in the physical world, okay, you go to the customer, you sell this product to the customer physically. They give you $100. You go back to the company, you give them pretty much the $50, and $50 you keep. All right, now in the digital world, all right, this is a little bit different. Okay, instead of taking the product physically, okay, you don't take it, you take it with your affiliate link. That's where the affiliate link come into play. Okay, let's just use a different way. So instead of taking it physically, all right, as we did over here, we are going to take it with affiliate link. Now, what's good about this affiliate link, that this is a unique code, unique tracking link, literally generated for you. Okay, we're going to go into the structure in a bit, but I want you to understand how it actually works. Okay, so the affiliate link is literally generated by you, for you and by you. Okay, now there are different affiliate networks, different affiliate products that you can possibly promote, and each varies slightly in the way how it actually works. Okay, for example, there are different big affiliate networks such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or you can go for Amazon affiliate networks. Okay, so there are loads and loads of different things, and they all work in a slightly different way. However, what is great about affiliate links is that they are tracking links as well, right? Which means they are tracking the activity of the user for a certain period of time, which means that even though the customer, they click on the link, all right, but they don't necessarily buy the exact moment when they click on it, right? So let's say they click on it today, they don't buy it today, but they buy it later on, let's say tomorrow or next week or even after a month, okay? when they go back to that product and they buy it, you are going to get your commissions still, okay? You are still going to get your commission even though it wasn't at a certain time when they clicked on it, all right? That's why it is a tracking code. Now, the tracking works pretty much the last click pays, which means if they click on your link, okay, they don't buy from you, and then let's say tomorrow they click on a different affiliate link from somebody else and they buy from it, only that person is going to get the commission. You are not going to get your commission because the last click was from a different affiliate marketer, right? Hope this makes sense for now, all right? So that's how the affiliate links generally work, right? Now, what is the structure of this affiliate link, so you know exactly that this is kind of like, okay, this is legit, this works, there is no chance for any changes. So let me just use this. Okay, so let's just say for the sake of this example, we're going to use Google, okay, as our website, which is just fairly easy to do. Okay, so we are going to use www.google.com. okay, that's going to be our domain or whatever the company itself. Okay, this is going to be their website. All right, now there's going to be a slash. All right, this is going to be the URL. Okay, pretty much. So let's just count with that each of these companies, they don't have only one product they are selling, but they have numerous products they are selling. All right, so under this slash, next after the slash is going to be the product itself, okay, the code or the identifier for the product. Okay, so let's just say we're going to go for product A. Okay, product A, that's the identifier for the product A. Now, and after the product A, there is going to be after the product A, there is going to be actually the identifier for the affiliate, okay, that this is actually affiliate somebody. Now, again, each affiliate network has different affiliate identifiers and it works a little bit different, so you might see different names or different words for it, but in essence it's pretty much the same. So here's going to be, let's say, affiliate something, okay, equals 280, for instance. Okay, that's going to be you. Okay, it can be either affiliate 208 or there can be, for example, your nickname over there. Okay, it depends again from somebody else. Okay, so this is pretty much just to say that this is an affiliate. All right, this is an affiliate link. So it needs to have also some identifier, and it can be either this 280 or it can be your nickname which you have on that network. Okay, so whatever it might be, nickname, okay, Nick, something like that. All right, and then after this there is going to be, this is optional. All right, guys, this is a tracking code for yourself, for your own purposes. So that means that if you want just this, okay, if you don't want any tracking, this is all good to go. Okay, this is your link to do. Now, let's just say you're going to promote this product, this affiliate link, on several other platforms. Let's say you're going to do it on Facebook and you're going to do it also on YouTube, all right? And you want to know which platform is doing better, all right? Which one has more links, more clicks for you. So you're going to create two different links, all right? And you're going to do, let's say, here is going to be, let me just put it over here, okay? You're going to have Facebook or you're going to have YouTube over here, okay? And now this is going to be two different links, and this one with the Facebook at the end you will put on Facebook, this one with YouTube at the end you will put on YouTube, and now you will know exactly which one is performing better for you. All right, now let me just do this. So this is the address of the company. All right, company, this is the product, obviously, okay, and this is the affiliate identifier, okay, and this is your pretty much nick, okay, or your nick. Now let's just say, for example, there can be, again, as I said, different networks have different names or different identifiers for them. Okay, for example, ClickBank has, instead of affiliate, they have HOP. Okay, that's the identification for that it is actually an affiliate link. Now, after this equals, they have your nick. Okay, instead of a number or something, they have your nick. Okay, your nickname is going to be there, and so on and so forth. Right? Amazon affiliate has also different things. Okay, so it just depends on which affiliate network is, but as you can see, it's pretty well structured. Right? It has pretty much the company address, and it's the product, so it's clearly known which product it is. It is clearly known that it is actually an affiliate. All right, they need to pay somebody the affiliate commission, and here is pretty much who they need to pay it, and it automatically goes when you make the sale. It automatically goes to your account, okay, which is associated over here. All right, guys. So that's why it's so important to have your unique affiliate links, because that exactly tracks your sales. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you understand how affiliate links work. Alright, if so, let me know in the comment section below. Give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are not yet, to get notified whenever I post a new video. And guys, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn a little bit more about it, how to actually work with these links and how to create your affiliate marketing business that brings in consistent sales, then I have a 4-day video series where I go in great detail about all of that, and you can grab it completely for free. In the description below is the first link over there, and you get full access to it, and I'm going to see you inside of it.